Okay, so in this video, we will consider the following counting problem where the solution can be obtained for each question quite easily once we construct a complete Venn diagram that corresponds to the given situation. So here's the word problem. At a college of 4,000 students, 1,500 students are enrolled in a psychology class and 550 in a statistics class. If 220 students are in a psychology class, in a psychology and statistics class, how many students are enrolled in a psychology class only, a statistics class only, at least one of them, neither of them? So again, let's ignore this for now and construct the corresponding Venn diagram. So we have our college. This is our sample space, right? All subjects of interest, so all 4,000 students attending this college. And now we have two events of interest. There is the first event being in a psychology class and the second event being in a statistics class. And some students are in both the psychology and statistics class, so there is an intersection. So we can draw our first event and say this is the event for psychology. And the second event for statistics. And if you're outside of these two circles, then you're neither in psychology or statistics. And in total, in this rectangular box, there should be 4,000 students. Let's start completing this Venn diagram, always, and you'll find this when you consider further examples, always starting with the smallest region and then working your way out to the larger regions. So here, this is the intersection of psychology and statistics. So it means that the people in here are both enrolled in a psychology and statistics class, and we're told there are 220 of those students. Okay, now you could ask, well, how many students are in this region? Well, in total, there are 1,500 students in a psychology class. So if you add every student in the entire region for psychology, it should add up to 1,500, as there are already 220 here. Well, there has to be a leftover here of 1,500 minus 220, which gives you 1,280. And if you add those, you'll get 1,500. We can do the same thing for statistics. There are a total number of students in statistics of 550. So, if we add every student in here, the total should be 550. There are 220 here, so if we remove from 550 to 20, this will give us the leftover number of students in this region, which is 330. And now we can find the number of students in the outer region, because we know that the total number of students in the college is 4,000. So, let me do it here. If we take all students, 4,000, and we remove those, and those, we're left with the students in the outer region. So we subtract 1,280, 220, and 330 from 4,000. And if you remove all those from 4,000, you're left with 2,170. And now we have a complete Venn diagram that corresponds to the given situation. And then we can easily answer each question. We are asking how many students are enrolled in a psychology class only. So it is this region, right? Psychology, but not statistics. So this is 1280. B, in a statistics class only, well, it is this region, as you cannot be in a psychology class. So 330. At least one of them. So this is saying psych or stats or both. So we have to add up those three together. So this is 1280 plus 220 plus 330, which gives us 1830. Oops, 1830. And finally D, neither of them. So not in psychology, not in statistics, so it leaves us with this number, 2170. And that's it.